Hello to everyone, good afternoon. Pakita ko sa inyong aking lunch today. Ayan, meron tayong fried rice. Ayan, at meron tayong isang hot chili. At kunting alamang, ito po ay hipon fried shrimps. At ito po ay meron tayong siomai. Ayan. Ganyan po ang special siomai yan. At meron tayong healthy salad. Ayan guys. Masarap ito kasi may parsley siya. Ito po ang ating healthy lunch today. Tayo ay bihira lang nagkakanin. Mostly ay yung vegetable lang at saka bread. Thank you for watching guys.